This is our continued LAX series. This is the ConRAC Consolidated Rent-A-Car Center. Pretty much all of the major rental car companies will be housing something like 18,000 vehicles. This is the largest parking structure apparently in the world. It's quite a stat there, think about it. Now off to the distance you can see the people mover which connects to this facility. And there goes a Hertz shuttle. So those will no longer be needed. Instead of taking a shuttle from the airport to your car, well in 2023 when the people mover opens, you can just take that to this rental car facility and not worry about a shuttle taking you to some rental car facility, far from the airport.